Hello everyone, how are you doing? This is MD Tech here with another quick tutorial. In today's tutorial, I'm going to show you guys how to go about resolving a Windows 10 update pending install message you're getting on your computer, and it just appears that it's not installing or it's just pending the install. Honestly, in most cases, all you need to do is just restart your computer. So if it's pending the install, save and close out of any open programs you have on your computer, right click on the start button, select shutdown or sign out, and then select restart. So now that we're back into Windows, try and see if that has resolved the problem. Check for updates. Hopefully there shouldn't be any more pending updates. If you're still having the issue, you can go ahead and open up the start menu, type in troubleshoot. Best result should come back with troubleshoot settings. Go ahead and open that up. Select additional troubleshooters on the right panel here. Just go ahead and left click on it. And then select underneath get up and running, Windows Update, resolve problems that prevent you from updating Windows, and go ahead and select that. And then select run the troubleshooter. And once that's done, and hopefully it resolved the issues here, close out of here, restart your computer, and check for updates once again, and then hopefully your issues should have been resolved. So as always, thank you guys for watching this brief tutorial. I do hope I was able to help you out, and I do look forward to catching you all in the next tutorial. Goodbye.